Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore load balancer targets on AWS ALB health checks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click on Load Balancers. Select your application load balancer from the list. Scroll down to the Description tab and verify the VPC and subnets. Next, go to the target groups in the left navigation. Select the target group associated with your ALB. In the Target Group Details page, focus on the Health Checks tab. Check the current health check settings, including the protocol, path, and port. Make note of the health check path, as it should match your application URL. Now, go to the Targets tab within the same target group. Look for any targets that are marked as unhealthy. Select one of the unhealthy targets and check its details. Verify the security group settings for this target. Ensure that the target security group allows traffic from the health check IP. If necessary, adjust the security group rules to allow incoming health checks. Next, access the EC2 instances to which the target belongs. Log into the instance via SSH. Check the application logs to identify any possible issues with the service. Restart the application if required to bring it back online. Return to the AWS console and refresh the target group details. Monitor the target health status for changes. Once the targets show as healthy, review the health check settings again. Consider adjusting the health check interval or timeout to suit your application. Finally, monitor the performance of your load balancer for any irregularities. Your targets should now be restored, ensuring better service availability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.